Right then, we're going to try this. B&H has given me one of these tins to try on my engine, silicone spray. I've let my engine go grey, so we're going to see if this can bring it back to black. Proper grey look. You can see. Needs a bit of back to black in. Do it. Get that camera in. Come on, look at that. Back to black. Looks so much better. Get it in you. Bit of a rub. Get it in there. Get it in the grain. In the grain, baby. Ooh. Oh yeah. I just wiped off my chrome. That'll get a bit of protection against the rain, that will. It's proper grey look. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. Let's give it a spray. Just round my spark plug, you know. In my fins. Ah, in my face. In these fins as well, look. Nice and crap they are. Oh, it's coming up lovely. Give it a rub. Boom! Get some more up. Winds in my face. Tastes nice. Smells good too. But like a strawberry tart driving down the road when engine kicks in. It's got some perfume on. Right, see all that's grey there, look. Looks like shit. Ooh. Beautiful, baby. Let's bring this up and all. Lovely, lovely job, lovely. Get in there. Oh. Smells better than that dog shit that bloody Johnny Depp wears. What's it called? Sausage or something? Sausage and savage? Oh, no. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Got more on my face than I have on my bike. Lovely job. Lovely. Right, if you want a sweet smelling ride, so when you're riding down the streets and you're smelling good and the ladies are like, ooh. Just spray your eggs on. Rub it on. See that? Don't spray that, you midget. This demo was brought to you by some twat with an aerosol can.